Start the streaming. Start recording. Close this. Oh, am I live though? That's my OBS. It's over here. And hello, testing. Oh yeah, my audio is good. Yeah, I checked my audio and damn, I really had my mic very low. But anyways, we are here. Okay, so last time we stopped with this. So we are going to work on this. And also please, I don't need you. This is gonna take a while because I have to first duplicate these things. Just where are these shaders though? That is gonna take a while. Oh, I need to duplicate all of these, I guess. Because only then I can make that work. But is there anything else I need to do? Let's start with the first one though. I mean, that is same. Now if we go here, we have this. So duplicate and okay, that's one. Then we also have to duplicate this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, and for this I'm going to put this one over here and this one over here. Okay, now that is one. Next I need to go to the ember shells. We duplicate this, go to ember small, boing boing boing, we put this over here. Anything else? Nope. We go to this one next. So what is this? This ember small, ember same. Okay, that's good. So we go to fire. Oh, this looks good. Okay, I'm going to lock this, duplicate this, put this over here, and I'm also going to put that over there. Wait, what? Okay, no. So if I do this, that, and this is this, so I need to duplicate this and I need to put this over here. Good enough. So this is done. And finally for the glow. Now is this really the right way to do? I have no idea, bro. RGB particles, so hey. Oh, they used the default particle. This is going to be a pain. So now since we have that, we are going to save it, go back to prefabs and get one more of these for testing purpose. Can you burn? You don't burn? You burn? You burn, right? Yeah, you do. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Let's start working on this one. So first, this is going to be dark red, meaning we need it to be somewhere over here. Let's copy this, go here. I'm going to paste that over there, and it's not going to be an yellow shade, rather it's going to be more of this shade. And we're going to come here, we are going to copy paste this, and it's going to be a so somewhere around here probably. This is going to be yellow, means it's going to be light gray, and it's here, and this is going to be the blue. Why is this changing? Why is that changing? Didn't I just duplicate the things and I gave? That shouldn't change. So why is it changing? What? I mean, they have totally different things. No, I don't need to edit these things. Hmm. What should I do? Because I want two different of these things, so should I use like a total different one then? Since it's, you know what, that would be perfect. Yeah, I will use two different, total different torches. That would be nice, I guess. So we're gonna go here. We're going to go to Unity Asset Store. Gonna go here, and we're going to find torches. Oh, my internet is slow. Is it slow? Okay. Wait, before that, I need to check this. Can you select that? Thank you. So we might need, oh, that is going to be not good. Sorry, this one entirely got wrong place. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay. So if I play, how does that look? Because I need to start working on the lightings a bit. Looks good enough, I guess. Just a bit over here. Okay, so then we need a lot of torches. Once I finish with the particles, then I will go with the lighting. Still now, I don't want to go with lighting. Okay, this is okay. Holy. Okay. Though this has to like go a bit more down. Okay, then what we need to do is we can keep this, we can small this. And I'm going to small all these. Okay. Then what I need to do is, the thing is, they all have the same textures, right? That's the problem. That is the problem, I guess. It's fine. So if I change the color for even one, everything's gonna change. That's a problem. So let's see how the lighting works. I mean the fire things work. Need to change position for those. Way too big. Those are nice, I guess. Okay, so these are way too big. So are you guys, and I need to place you like this. Okay. Do we have like, I need lamps, I don't even need this. I need lamp more of Yeah, lamps would be good. Yeah, like this lanterns. But these are 2D. I want in 3D. Oh my god. Maybe I can use a lantern for jumping, probably. Okay, so do these things, yeah, they have lighting as well. I think that would be amazing for me. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Ah, damn. I forgot to do this. I think it's better if I don't do it here. I go Unity asset store, go here. Is this logged in? Yeah, it's logged in. Good. In a way, I forgot to log in this as well. But it showed my login. What? No, whatever. Okay, we add to asset. And we open in Unity. Why is it always opening in this tab? Modular medieval lanterns. Let's go. So I need to look for lightings. Lighting's a bit gonna be a pain. So I have to somehow work on it. Last time I made a game, I worked on lighting way too late and it didn't work good. So now I'm gonna make sure it works good. Okay, we import it to our project. And over here, import. It is going to take a little while. Wait a second. What? Why did everything become pink? I just noticed it. But also, what is this quality, my boys? Means it works. So yeah, I don't think I need to worry about it. It's working. It's working. Okay, so broken vector. No, not broken vector. It's lantern and candles. And material render settings, initialize convert, initialize and convert. Good. Let them load a bit. They aren't loading. What's happening here? Why are these not changed? That were not tearing. What? Nothing changed. Though those work now, but the prefabs are wrong. What could be the problem? See here, there is. Maybe if I guess it's in cylinder, if I go here. Oh, this is nothing. That's why. What if? Do I even need those? Yeah, I don't need them, I guess. Also, does this have? Looks like it has. Check it. Yeah, it has. Okay, so what I'm going to do is perfect. This is actually good. I can even put some lanterns over here. Again, no, not that one. Sorry, prefab. Oh, that's what? It's in the meshes, but it's not in the prefab. What is this? It's not there. What? There is no way. Anyways, so wait a second. Let me check if this works. And where is the? Yeah, this is this. I'll close that. If I play it, nothing really happens. Could be the reason because there's no light. I mean, I can actually do this, so I can give it like emission, and I can just say, you know, take green color, and yeah, I can just do this. So that is one way to solve that problem. So yeah, so I guess maybe just place it wherever I want for now, then I can do those things. Okay, so the first place is going to be should I keep it? No, I can't even keep that. Although I can keep this though. So as you can see, he moves like that. So if I align this perfectly there, this is going to be great. Now let's not make it bigger. Let's make that y. No, let's make the y bigger, and that's gonna be bad. So we need to do this. Wink. So player can grapple that probably. Nope, not looking good. How about I keep it somewhere like on the edge? You know, I can keep it over like this. Then I can have a lantern like this. What do you guys say? What do you guys say? So now I need to center this 0. Perfect. Another thing, need to go to here, and I'm going to put on emission. Since I want it to be like a light bluish thing, I'll go here, intensity to 2. This will give some lighting effect. And I also want to remove this, so that gives some emission. Good. And I'm going to duplicate this again, take it over here, pull it up over there. Right here somewhere, so player can come here if he needs. I think for now it's good. I don't want to do a lot, but yeah, for now that's good. Now we need to keep it in other places. For example, why is there a lantern inside that? I can do like this and rotate it like that. We can send this a bit in. No, we can't. Okay. Here there's what? Oh yeah, it's inside the lantern probably. Yeah. Remove this cube and remove this cube. So that's that. I might think I might even need to like I'm going to say the intensity a bit more through 3. Yeah, 3 looks good. 3 looks good. I want like a bluish tone and red color for the flame, so let's keep it over here. This is not grabbable, and I'm going to put a ceiling chain. What was the code for this? Where can I get the code? Can't get the code? What? That's fine then. It doesn't do neither. Go to chains, lantern. So here, don't need you. What? Oh, it's like this. Ah, that won't work. Maybe I can make it work, but nah. No. Oh. Okay, so here, lantern 3, go here. Remove this glass. Thank you. These flames. These are sprites. I don't want to work with sprites. Nah. So let's have those for now. If I need things, I need to use this then. Okay, so that's okay. Now, do I need a skybox color? No, I don't need the skybox color. What happens? I know what will happen if I do now, but I'm sorry, can you cancel? I forgot to do something. So there are no lights other than these things. But I don't feel like. Okay, I have another idea though, which I can do. There is something called as. Where is it? Where is it? Nah, not this. Hey, hi there, man. How are you? So what I can do is, why didn't I get any sound for the message? That's a problem, because I would have not seen it. I need to give an area light overall. How does this area light work though? What is this even? What are you? Area light. So skybox. Nah, I'm in here. Okay. So I can do. Oh, so I can give a general lighting to my entire thing. Is that what it means though? I'm not sure. Well, let me just generate lighting and see what it does. Wait, isn't area lighting? No, it should be like a square. I can't see anything because I have everything turned off. My bad. Yeah, I have turned it off. How can I even see? Alright. You know what? Clear baked. I mean, that even doesn't do anything. Okay, I think the problem is. I'll come to it. So the first thing is go here. Should I like move this? Yeah, not this. So I'm gonna say 100 cross 100 because why not? Okay, that is way too long. No, I don't need 100 cross 100. How about 50? 50 is too big, but you know what, 25. 25 looks good because I only need this side of the thing to be light. Let's just, so it's going to shoot down, which means I need to take this up. I hope that's how this works. Okay, so now we have this. Let's change the intensity to 3. I don't need a multiplier for now, and the range is going to be 100. No, 100 is also way too low. I'll say 25. Yeah, 25 is good. So it's going to be darker over here and not dark over here probably. What type game this is? So this is basically like how do I explain? You know what? I'll explain it. Where's my saved file? I saved it somewhere. Where is it? Torchgod. Okay. I hope you can see this beautiful paint I have drawn. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to do is, it's like a idea I got from a game called from Terraria. So there's something called as torchgod. It's one of the mini boss in that game. It's simple. You place 100 different torches. It can be placed anywhere, and once you placed around like 100, it starts to shoot one by one. And yeah, you can have like thousands as well. The number of torches can be anything, but the goal of that game is you need to dodge 95 of those, and only then you can finish that boss. So this is what so imagine these are like platforms. Okay, before that I'll also show what is Terraria, so you can get an idea. Terraria is like a 2D game. So yeah, so this is how the Terraria game even looks. It's everything is in 2D, and you can build platforms and stuff, blah 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 blah. Okay, yeah, simply in simple terms it will be like this. You can create like platforms like this and build houses. In everything is in 2D. So the goal is there will be a lot of torches, okay, and the torches will shoot one by one at the player. So the player has to dodge everything. He can parkour to jump from one platform to other, or he will have teleport abilities, or he can have a dash ability. Yeah, those things are there. But the main goal is dodge everything. So that is what I'm trying to do it, but in 3D. And yep, that's it. So yeah, it will be something like this. You can't see, these places are dark because the game doesn't want to show where the light comes. But yeah, something, okay, this is way too much. Oh my god. So yeah, you know, some patterns like this, people place a torch over there, then they will start dodging one by one. Yeah, this is like the base game idea. But yeah, I'm trying to do this in 3D. So of course, at first I planned on doing like this platform and platform and platform. But then I came with a lot of problems. The major problem is, logic wise, it didn't work. So imagine like this guy's over here. Where is he? Come here, player. If I'm going to jump, my entire body, oh my god. Okay, so if I'm going to jump, the entire body is going to go like this. Now that doesn't make sense. How can a player like jump like from the wall to wall? Like how can you pass through? I mean, I made it work in the code. Yeah, it works. If I have a plane like that, it will work. But logic wise, it didn't suit it. So that removed. So I removed my entire plane and platforms and everything. So yeah, I'm just like, now I'm making sure that it works in 3D. So overall, I'm just getting the idea from that game and trying to recreate something new from that. So yeah. Wait, I'll also show you the first thing I did. Wait, where's my files? And that's my first video. Folder D, and if I go to my OBS output, do I have it? Do I have that thing? I probably should have it. Is this the video? Nope, this is the moment video. I don't want that. What is this? No, not this. Nope. Oh my god, I don't have the video. What? That is sad. Like, I think it's in my... Oh, looks like hard to do. I mean... not really. I mean... maybe. But I don't think it's hard for me. The thing is, I have experience in game development. At least, like, I have like 6 months plus. I mean, yeah, I've been doing it for 4 years now. Okay. I mean, we need to start everywhere. At first, it may be hard, but as you go, you learn a lot. It will be easy as you go. And yeah, that's how game development works, man. At first, I thought everything was hard in game development, but now it's way too easy for me. Okay, at least not way too easy, but I know what to do. Or if I didn't know, I know where to search or how to search and stuff. Yeah, so it's good. I still use ChatGPT sometimes. I use it for, like, you know, sometimes I if I don't even know how to proceed with something, I just ask it, hey, I'm having this idea. How should I approach it? And it gives me a step-by-step thing. You know, that's easy. Okay, where was I? Okay, I was in the middle of creating lighting and it's not working. Why is there a... do I have a environment lighting though? No. And what am I baking? What, like, tell me, are you interested in game development? Because if you found this live stream, because I have every single tag is related to game development and Unity. So seems like you're someone new to this, or you're looking for, like, you know, game development stuff, learning things. Tell me, man. Let's talk. It's not reflecting. Oh, this is because I didn't give any reflection. what? No, that's not how it works though. Where's light? Probe adjustment volume, adaptive probe volume, reflection probe. I need a little reflection probe. Where are you? Okay, so this helps for reflections. Should I do it like this? Nope, I shouldn't do that like that. So I need the box size to be somewhere like that. We need the Y a bit and even a Z a bit. Looking good. So if I give play, not play, oh my god, why did I even give play? Lighting is a totally different subject, damn. Okay, I want it to reflect. Okay, it reflects now. I see a little bit of lighting difference over here. I'm newbie on game development and look for some idea. Oh. Well, how do I say this? Game development is actually easy, man. It's not really that hard. Like the first, it's gonna be take some time to get the basics, but once it's done, it's like piece of cake. I actually did an internship. Okay, I'll say my journey. So okay, so the first game, it was on 2021, I guess, probably, I think so. So that's when I started to, I play a lot of games, so why not I just be a game developer? And before starting, I had two things. Creating games and playing games are totally two different subjects. Anyone can play games. You may like to play games, but that doesn't mean you will also love to make games. So there's a big difference. But you'll only understand the difference when you start working on it. Yeah. So when I started my first game, it was a horror game. It's called Stalker in the Woods. And yeah, I had no idea how to do. I didn't even go to any YouTube video. I just like, you know what, I'm better at video games. I'm better in general. So I just started. And boy, it was a horrible thing I did. Because I didn't knew anything. I didn't know what things to. I don't even know some basic stuff. It was like, I used ChatGPT mostly for my coding and everything. And I just copy pasted. I didn't even know how to use them. Because I was stuck a lot of times and I didn't know what, and it didn't even make sense. Everything was not good. The code was not reusable. It's not a good way of doing things. And yeah, I was like, oh my god, this is horrible. So yeah, that was my first game. It was a huge flop. I didn't even completed it. But yeah, I had a good story. I had like a basic level design, but I think I deleted it, so I don't have it right now. And yeah, from that I learned one thing: don't get into things with zero knowledge. So then I started to look at YouTube video. So what video I did was, it was actually a advanced video. I'm so much into Souls games. If you know, like Elden Ring, Dark Souls and stuff, I completed every single game of those. So I was like, okay, fine, I'm new to this, so why not do that game, learn from someone who did it. So Dark Souls Unity. So this was the first guy I saw, and I'll just say it, this guy is not for new people, because whatever he did in this video to make this game, it was way too advanced. Some of the things we don't even understand it. But you know what happened is, I literally copied everything. I just did what he did. I didn't understand every single thing, but I followed all of his, whatever he did, I copy pasted it, I worked on it. So I got a few basic things to go on the Unity. So I learned how to explore Unity engine and stuff, but still I don't know how to code. I don't know everything about it. I'm still like a new to this. Then what happened is, I went to an internship. So with this knowledge, I know basic things like what does a function does, then what is like the few keywords I learned. So I understood those things, just way too basic. And in this internship, the CTO was he was my thing. It was a startup company. It's a AR VR based thing they were doing in Unity, and I did like 2 games for them. At first, it only took him 1 week it took me total of 1 week there to learn complete Unity and easily. Like it was like I'm actually gonna say I'm way too lucky to be there, because that really helped me to learn Unity a lot. So yeah, in that I went there. I literally watched him do things. I didn't even touch the keyboard. I didn't. I just he just started coding, and he just started to like, oh, I'm doing this. Okay, then I'm going to get this game object. Then I'm going to link it with this. Then I'm going to do this code, and I understood everything. Main reason is I was so into it. Okay, I wanted to know what it is, so I gave my 100% in it. So I started understanding it, because I already know what input actions. Oh, input action is something you know, as the name says, you are putting an input and getting that action. So player movement, yeah, player movement. Okay, you know what movement is. Performed, yeah, I performed that movement. So with this basic knowledge, when I went there, and he started to do it by talking with me casually and explaining things, I got easy grasp of everything. I know what this entire thing does, and then I was able to do my own games. I didn't have to even rely on any AI or anything, and I just did it. That's how my game jams. In 1 month I was able to do games, and I also made this game. This was my first game. Okay, not in this one. Where is it? Speckles. Go to, where's my itch.io? Then I made a horror game. It took me like, okay, this was the horror game which I made, and not my library. It's my game, not my game jams. Where is my dashboard? Oh, I can just click it. So this was my first game. I totally took 1 week for this, and every single day I only had 2 hours to work on this. It was for a game jam called Scream Jam. I just participated. I just wanted to see how good I became in 1 month after going for that internship. Once I finished understanding the things, I just gave 1 month, and after 1 month I started to see how good I am right now, and that's when I made this game. So it's like a simple, just a basic horror game. There is even no lighting. I mean, I didn't have much time to work on the lighting, so it's actually bad. But you can see that I literally made a game, complete game. That are like, you know, you can start the game. Once the game is over, you can come back to the screen, and there's a starting, there's an ending. You can quit the game, and yeah, there's also rules. Then these are like the task you need to do, and every single time you play the game, the task changes. So I learned how to do that, and whenever one task is there, how to like do that, everything I did in just 1 week and 2 hours. So Unity is actually like a good starting step for game development, and it's actually quite easy once you get the grasp of it. Just the starting time, it's gonna be hard, but yeah, there are a lot of YouTube videos. You know, Brackeys is there, then there is Code Monkey. These guys are like, they help a lot. And I also did one course over here. You know, if you are like looking for like you know, if there's any courses, I will suggest this one, because I did this one and it was actually good. So Udemy. Oh my god, I hate this, man. Why is my thing like always like this? I can't even see it. Okay, anyways. No, where do I go to my courses? Yeah, this one. So this course is actually a good one. They go from really the basic stuff and things, which is really good for new people. It's called Complete C Sharp, Unity, Game Development 3D. So it is also like the updated version. So it's actually a good one. And it was done by, where's the author name? Where's the author? And they're also like fun. They give you free assets to play around with. This is actually good. Rick Davidson, yeah. Maybe if you are like looking for a course, I think it's cost a bit, but yeah, it's actually worth it for if you want to learn Unity. Though I want to say, if you want to have a game development job, Unity is not the thing you need to be like too focused on, because many of the AAA companies, they are asking for C++ and Unity use C Sharp, and for C++ you need to learn Unreal. But if you know how Unity works, Unreal is going to be easy for you. But if you go to Unreal straight up to with things, it maybe look easy. There's a big learning curve for Unreal Engine, which is a pain, I will say it right now. So if you have like a Unity basic and then you go, you have a great chance of understanding Unreal a lot easier. And also a blueprint and stuff. But yeah, I like more of coding stuff, so that's why I stick with coding. But yeah, blueprint's also a thing. I'm using Gdevelop and I'm stuck. What is a Gdevelop? I never heard of it. Gdevelop, free, fast game engine, no code. Oh, so you're using like a no code platform. Oh. Oh wow, this looks good. The faster, easier way to create your games. Jira is the most powerful open source code engine. Make 2D, 3D, and multiplayer without limits. Publish everywhere iOS. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Oh, looks good. Wait, I want to see something. So this is kind of like you just drag and drop things. There's also code based. For me, gamedev is still hard. I mean, is it? Well, you know what? Everyone, see, it's starting. Everything is hard at start. Once you get a hang of it, then it gets easy. Even Unity was hard for me at the start. I'm not gonna say it was easy for me at start, but yeah, as I started to do work every single day, then it became easy. I'm not sure about gamedeveloper because I never heard of it much, to be honest. I mean, if you want to make a quick game, if you have an idea, if you want to do a prototype, I think this is good. But I don't think this will is what the industry needs. So if you want to make this as a career, I doubt this will help you a lot in your in your future. But yeah, having this as a knowledge, hey, I worked in GDOL. I know there's a no code platform. That's a plus point. But working in this entirely, it's I don't think so because I don't really think so because they ask for your coding knowledge and stuff when you go to like a good studio for game development. So they ask you to see whether you're good at coding and stuff. So they mostly see C# and C++. So that's good. But even these are some coding. I don't know what coding language they use for here, but kinda looks the same as in C#. So yeah. Yeah, it looks good though. You can make games for this easily. You can make easy prototypes with this. That's actually nice. Oh, I actually didn't know that there was a no code platform for video games. There's also a lot. There is Godot. There is Gamer Maker. Something I have no idea, man. But there's a few more things for developer. But yeah, Unity and C++. I mean Unreal. They are like the right now the gods of game development. But yeah, it's gonna take a while. But I will suggest you start with Unity. This is good. If you have a basic thing on this, you just know how to use this. That's good. Coding, of course, is going to take time. It's not for easy. Coding is never easy at start. It's going to take some time. With only practice, you can get a hang of it. Even okay, I can code things right now. I made this code because everything in this game, I made this game. Okay, let me show you what I made. So right now I just made a basic player movement. So these things I used to code. I did the coding, and there's also like the particle system which will be coming from here. Yeah, these things will follow the player like its last position, and that's where it should. So these are the codings I did, and I have a hang of this. But if you ask me if I was able to do this at my first time using Unity, no, not at all. It was way too hard for me. So yeah, practice, everyday practice, probably like 30 to 1 hour. I think that's enough. Just do it for 1 month, and you already have like 30 hours in this, and that's it. That's enough for getting started. Okay, so my area light does work. The thing is, why is it not getting here? Should I like bounce this thing? What am I doing wrong? Why is it not bouncing back? Why is there no shadows? Okay, you know what? I'll change your color to see if things work. Generate lighting. Do you sell any game assets? No, man. I don't sell game assets. No. Making a game asset is hard, I guess, because I never tried it. I mean, I have it in my plan, but not right now. I don't have any assets. Wait, why the lighting is not even hitting there? What? There's an area light. Okay, there's one way to check this. I can just do this. I can go to my light. The point light, yeah, that should work. Okay, the lighting works. I can see the... Oh, I don't see the reflection. Yeah, I see the reflection. It may be way too low, but I do see the reflection. In order to see it really good, I'll just give it a different color. Yeah, that is reflection. Then why is my area light not working? Huh? What? Should I increase the intensity? Probably this will be always 12 for me. So the games I made. Dude, lighting is hard. Oh my god. Oh my god, my game. That did nothing. Huh? What am I doing wrong? I don't even know what I'm doing wrong here. Clear baked data. Thank you. So it's not about the things, it's about disks. What is a disk? I don't need a disk. Cast shadow. Okay, I'm definitely seeing there's no light. Okay, there is a different light somewhere over here. What is it? Oh, I'm an idiot, bro. I'm a total... I had those direction light on this entire time. There's no way I had it on. Why did I give the play? Oh, also, what? They're blue in color. Why are they white here? Because my emission... No, that shouldn't work. What? They are blue here. Why isn't the game saying they are not blue? Oh my god, what's happening here? I have no idea. Okay, so now if I go and bake this, it's going to be pink. Lighting is like a totally different topic in game development. Like they literally have jobs for lighting who are only good with this. So that's something. Okay, that did something. Actually, that did actually do something. But did it do the thing which I wanted? No, it didn't. Sir, I need pink color. There's no pink color. There's only blue. Oh, if I didn't bake it. Now if I play it, it should be blue. Probably. No, it's still not blue. What is happening? Damn, I have no clue what's happening. Wait, what? Should I like change my perspective or what? Because here it's blue. I don't need an emission map for this. It's... Can I change it to real time, please? At least if... I mean, but if I do it in real time, it's going to lag a lot when I take it as a build. It's not a good practice. So I'm just going to do a baked one. What could be the reason? We keep one over here. Is it having a LOD? Probably. Probably. I don't think so even it has an LOD. Lantern, come here, come close to the camera. Oh, okay. Ah. Oh. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Please don't tell me it's because of that. I forgot to change this color though. But I don't think that's a problem. You know, I will give it a check. I will see it. It's green now, so they should be... No, they are not green yet, so it's not that as well. What's the spectral alpha? Why are they not blue in... That is my good Google. Where are you? Thank you. So let's go to ChatGPT. I am currently making a 3D game in Unity, and for now I have let's just it's a box and give the EMI suspension 3 with the color, and seeing it shows good, but when I play it's not reflecting. I also baked the light, still no work. Thank you. It sounds like you're encountering a common issue in Unity where emission doesn't appear during play mode, especially when using baked lighting. Let's walk through possible causes and solution. Okay, so set emission as baked. We did this, yes. Where is my game? So if I see the set emission is there and it is in baked. Good. Unity treats emission differently depending on the global illumination JS settings. Go to inspector material, emission is enabled, yes it's enabled. Under the lighting tab, rendering light and what? Window rendering, okay. Scene, I give nothing. Oh my I didn't even create this. How can oh my god. You see, it was a simple thing. I just forgot to do one step. And rebake everything and that will work. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please spare me when the AI takes the world. Thank you. Okay, so if I go here, no, I go here, I go to clear baked areas, and if I regenerate lighting should work. It's gonna take some time. ChatGPT saved you, indeed. See, this is how AI helps us a lot. It really saved me, but still I don't see anything. But if I play right now, I should be able to see this color. No, I didn't see it. Oh my god. It's not. Okay, why is it also... Oh, this emission doesn't do the thing which I want it to do. I see the problem here. I think so. I'm not sure if this is the problem, but I need to give this both. Now if I play it, what will happen? Nothing. Okay, this is I have no idea what's happening here. Should I go transparent and then I can see what's in... No, oh my god, what's happening? Okay. There's still something wrong, but it's correct. ChatGPT said I should create a lighting thing, and I did create it. But then, okay, let's just see if something else. Rebake lighting scene, generate lighting. It didn't work. Material, ensure the material using HDR color for emission. What's an HDR color? I have no idea what's an HDR color. Oh yeah, it's using HDR color. Yeah, it says over here. Yes, it is using HDR color. Okay. Okay, I gave 3. In the standard shader, after setting the color, click the small channel unit. What do you mean? I don't use a standard. I'm not using a Oh. Is it saying me to use this? That's gonna give that. Multiplier, emission, blah blah blah. If you're using baked lighting, your camera must use a lighting map compatible setup. Oh, that can be a reason, because I am able to see in the scene, but only from my camera view I can see it. So where's my camera? It's over here. Do I need to do something over here? I don't know. Also, post processing bloom if enable, if you're glowing. No, I don't need that. If using baked lighting, your camera must use lighting map compatible settings. Okay, what does that mean? Yeah, please use my GPU, don't use my CPU. Direction mode, directional, yeah, this is these are good. Bounces, light mapper, bagel. Okay, real. I don't need real time. I'm just baking light for now. Light probe sample. Oh my god, that's a lot. Oh no, but these are not the things I need. Wait, let me check this now. I mean, it does have the pink theme. Okay, what if just what if I turn this off, go here to my scene, I clear the baking, and if I generate lighting right now, this should be fast because I'm using my GPU. Come on, 4060. Okay, that's way too. Oh, it's not even loading. What? I mean, that is a sign that it's working correct, because lighting takes a lot of time to render, but this is way too lot. I think I need to wait a bit. This is why I want to do lighting at the last, but I also not sure if my level design is correct, because even if there's a gap, the lighting would miss. Okay. No, this is also not working. Na, 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 na. What the hell? Oh my god, this looks good for some reason. Ah. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. 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 Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Mhm. Mhm. I hope I didn't give my player because he's not static. Where am I? Okay, now things work, which is nice. But oh my god, this is not the color I need though. Okay, so what I'm going to do is idealite. Your color is going to be somewhere like something like this, I guess, probably. Clear baked light, generate lighting. Ooh, that's bad. I think I need to reduce the intensity. It's way too intense. Hey. So clear the baked. This is good thing I have a decent GPU. I mean decent. Oh my god, this is a nice GPU. I'm not gonna say it's even decent. Dude, 4060 is it's a beast. Also my oh my god, my CPU. Oh my god, CPU. Okay, I have a cooler that can help a bit. Help a while. Okay, so the overall tone is ready. So if I go to clear data, if I generate this, I'll get an overall lighting. Where's my phone? Where's my mobile? My mobile. Oh my god, my head. Ah, god, I got. Okay, so. I change the color of these. Did I not generate a lighting? Oh, I did generate it. Well, it kind of gives the dungeon vibe. Kind of gives a dungeon vibe. You know, just kind of. So what is there? What is this? Is my lace? Why is my light go there? Okay, this is pretty okay. Not gonna lie. Well. If everything is okay, then we know what is next. Oh, shoot. I have this guy. I totally forgot I had him. Now, there is just one thing I can do. Okay, so all I have to do is this is going to be dark. This is only darkness. So I'm just gonna place all of these. Why not? I'm gonna control D. Okay, so I do this. Perfect. I'm gonna control D once again. Keep it down. You know what? For good measure, I will do this. And control D these. I'm going to say this as 90 degrees. Control D them again. I'm going to put it like this. And what happens if I control D and turn them all? Oh, I can do that. So let's do minus 90. Close this. Like here. Okay. Control D them. Perfect. Another perfecto. Oh no, shit, no. Little bit up. Then I need to control D. Yeah, this is pretty decent. Okay, now what I need to do is go here. Oh shit, no. Okay, and I'm going to need a 3D object cube, which is going to go to the center a bit down, and I not X. Good, that's what I needed. I need these. That went out. Good. Yeah, I think this is good, and I need to make sure just like that. Going to bring it over here, and oh nope, nope. Do that. So we need this to be a bit like this. Because soon I'll remove that. It's just there for placeholder for now. So I don't want light to fall below that. So if I come here, if I clear the lighting data, if I generate lighting, let's see what happens. Oh, because I have ADL light. That makes sense. That was my fault. Oh, also, why is this coming down? So can you guys please not come here? Okay, I knew what the problem is. The problem is that one is that I have to do this. Oh no, that was not the problem. Actually, that's not the problem. The problem's over here. Why is it coming below this on my base? I don't want it to come below this. Okay, anyways, the problem what I have is I need to reduce this. See Scooby Doo, you calling and you. Hmm. No, வேணாம் வேண்டாம். Okay. Still don't understand how the light goes down there. So you're telling me if I, by any chance, light's gonna be there. So this is something good. Okay. But I need some light for him though. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. I'm done for today. Thank you so much, and I will do this. Wait, how long have I been doing this? Just for 2 hours? Ain't no way, bro. I need to lock in a lot. But yeah, it's good. The lighting is good. I will ask my friend a bit of more advice, and then I'll continue this. Thank